Hey Quirble, how many times can you fold a single piece of paper by hand? Go ahead, try it. You'll likely get stuck around the seventh fold. This is a seemingly simple yet unbroken challenge known for centuries, the paper folding limit. So, is this a myth or a law of physics? And more importantly, if that limit wasn't there, could folding a piece of paper take you to the moon or even outside the universe? The answer? Absolutely yes. Here is the unbelievable math. The secret to what stops us is not just a lack of infinite strength. Our real enemy is exponential growth. A simple piece of paper shows us the power of exponential growth and the physical limits of the universe itself. The sevenfold limit is just a small hurdle, but the math behind it is a cosmic roadmap. So, what simple action in your everyday life do you think hides a massive scientific truth like this? Let me know your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until our next Quirble adventure, stay curious.